Y'all, I'm telling y'all, glueless, okay? Glueless. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kay, of course. Here I'm going to be sharing with you a wig sent from Wiggins Hair. Just in case you guys are interested, be sure to check the description box down below. If you decide to purchase this wig, it will come in this box. And the wig they sent me, it is HD lace. It's 26 inches and I do have a small cap size. Inside the box comes with, I believe this is a bonnet. If you hear anything in the background, my son is going crazy. We also have a edge brush, an elastic band for your edges, and the wig cap. I need some hair on y'all. I look dry right now. So this is what the wig looks like when it comes out of the packaging. Look at that. That's what it looks like. Alright, so I don't know the dimensions of the lace, but I'll put it on my screen. I don't know if it's like a 5x5. It might be a 5x5, but the knots are bleached and the hairline is pre-plucked. So this is what it looks like. Okay, here are these beautiful juicy curls, as y'all can see. Look at that. So I do believe this is a body wave texture. Here is the inside of the cap. It does come with no combs in the front, but it does come with a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it comes with a removable elastic band with a little grippy piece on there, so you know it'll grip to your head. So that's what that's looking like. And I'm going to go ahead and try this on for you guys. Ooh, it feels so good, y'all. Oh my gosh. So if you do have a smaller size head, I recommend getting a small cap size. But yeah, not really much to this wig. I already went ahead and cut off the lace and added my finishing powder to the lace. Let's see. And I also went ahead and plucked the hairline as well. Oh my god, the fit on this wig is not going anywhere. I love this, y'all. This wig is so pretty. Let's brush out these curls. Let's see. And I'm getting shut, but that's only because I plucked the hairline a little bit. I'm sorry. Look at that, y'all. It's so beautiful. Ah! This wig is so perfect for me. Like when I tell you the fit is it, it's it. I love the fit of this wig. And then y'all see how it just blends right in. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Absolutely insane. So let's give it some layers in the front. Alright y'all, so this is what the wig looks like. Really easy. My camera cut off, but I did curl just this part. I did not curl anything else after I cut the layers in it. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, glueless, okay? Glueless. I love the thickness and everything on this wig. It's really, really pretty. Let me show you how full it is in the back. So it's worth cutting layers in it, y'all, because the curls are just going to fall how you want them to. But if you want a quick wig that you don't have to put in work, this the one, y'all. Check her out. The information is in my description box if you guys are interested. I just parted it and curled the front again. I didn't do anything to the rest of the hair, just the front part. So this is what it looks like, and I really like it. Do y'all like the middle part or the side part? Y'all let me know. But either way, this wig is so nice, so nice. The quality, the thickness of it, it eats down, okay? But she's cute. If you guys love her like I do, check my description box down below for links to this wig. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think, middle part or side part. But either way, she's really cute. Yes?
I want some tea.
Yes, you have to wait.
Okay.
Y'all, what my son know about tea? He's 4 and he loves tea. But yeah. I don't know the density of this, but I'll leave it in my description box down below if anybody is interested in the density. And I can just run my fingers through her without a problem. I did spray her with some holding spray, but still, you can still run your fingers through it. But I feel like the curls are intact, and the curls that already came in a wig, like, they are really nice. These curls aren't going anywhere. And she is pretty long. Like I said, she is 26 inches. So if you wanted to straighten her, you could, and she still is gonna be her. Yeah. Alright y'all, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section down below, and I will see y'all in my next video.